Hi, my name is João. I'm from Vicoustic. We're here at ISE 2020 to present some new possibilities for our well-known VMT product. So basically here we're showing some possibilities of integration with lighting and sound using our flat panel VMT. We have our logo with some backlighting. We have a hidden speaker over here. We have light switches and electrical outlets built into the panel. We also have some lighting over there. Basically we show different patterns of the VMT, but using the large panels. We have here some finishing frames as well. Moving on here, we have the Vic wallpaper VMT, which uses the same raw material and the same VMT technology. The raw material is the Vic pad wool. And over here we have our new product, the Gen VMT. It's basically another variation of the VMT technology, but compressing it a bit more. We can have these designs, and we also not only do the wall panels, we also do the suspended elements for the ceiling. They can be used in all kinds of public spaces, workspaces, all kinds of applications for both commercial market, residential market, and I think that's it. So visit us at www.vicoustic.com. We have all the information, all of our product line is available, so feel free to stop by and take a look.